guys, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas. Today is day number 5 and we are doing some Christmas signs for y'all today. And the hosts are Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY and Krista from Krista's Crafty Life. And we want to say thank you guys for putting this together for us, and you will find the playlist down in the description box. So let's go ahead and hop into my first project. Today I'm using one of these Dollar Tree signs, you guys, and I already measured out the side here, and then I did one side, but I forgot to do the other side, but I do that later. And yeah, or no, did I already do it? I might have already did it off camera, and then I realized I needed to do the other side before I paint. But then I'm using this Waverly wax that I had mixed with some black ink chalk paint, and I'm going to do both sides here. And then I grabbed my Snow White chalk paint and my palette knife, and we're going to go ahead and give this a top coat here. And usually I like to do a light coat and then go back over again with a second coat. Kind of like here, and then stop and then go back later and do a second coat. But this time I'm doing a thicker coat over the whole thing, and if any of the if any of the stain in the background shows, that's okay too, because we're going to want that to show here shortly anyways. But once I'm done with this thick coat here, like so, we're going to let that dry. And then I took my Cricut spatula here. I didn't let it dry all the way. Like, I used my heat tool and it was like almost dry, but a little bit wet still. And you guys, we're just going to scrape off a bunch of paint here and there. And I love this technique as well too. It just looks so pretty when it's done, and it looks very rustic and farmhouse and country. And then, of course, I got a little bit of paint on the other side, and I wanted to try to hurry up and get that scraped off there because I am making this a double-sided sign today, so you guys can get double the inspiration today from my video. And I would love to have done a lot more Christmas signs for you, but I actually have done. I just went ahead and did more in the 5 Under 5 collaboration, so I will have another video coming out on the same day as this one, later at 7 p.m. if you guys want to go and check that out. So yeah, I didn't have a lot of time to make a lot of projects for this craft or this collaboration and that one. So today I just wanted to do at least a double-sided sign for you, so you'll get at least some inspiration today from this playlist in my video. So once I'm done adhering the paper down, you guys know the normal routine that I usually do on my channel, so I don't really feel like I need to talk about that right now. And this part right here too is kind of repetitive, but the next thing I'm going to do is take all these letters. I believe these came from my pack from Hobby Lobby or possibly Temu. I can't remember. I think it's Hobby Lobby that I bought this from. And then I have this sticker maker. You guys can get this sticker maker from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I've seen it at both places. And it's not very expensive. It's like $10 or something like that. And I'm not sure if you can get it on sale or not, but you might be able to. And then the next thing, after I'm done getting it through the sticker maker, this is going to make a sticky back on these little wood letters here. And then I just take this Dollar Tree tool and I try to get out all that excess sticky glue that you may have seen. And then I adhere them all down. But before I put down the greenery at the top, I went ahead and grabbed this black wax ink that I have created, and I'm just going to go ahead and dirty up this sign. And I do all the paper here and there. I also do the edges, but I don't think I show you all the edges and stuff like that. And then the next thing we're going to do is glue down the greenery, and I'm just using some of my Aleene's tacky glue, and I'm also going to be using some of this hot glue to adhere this right now. All right, and then I do have this star that came off that garland that you see here in the video, and I did paint it up a little bit with some Waverly wax, and that's going to be it for this sign. I'm just popping in to the video to say thank you so much for watching my video. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you. And if you're going to continue watching, I really appreciate you so much. And if you're new here, I want to go ahead and say thank you again for watching. And if you would, hit that subscribe button. And welcome to the Sunflower Tasha DIYs family. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and hop right into the other side, my craft project number 2. So this side, I wasn't really sure what I was going to do with it, but I have a little bit of water here, and I'm going. I can't talk today. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm getting a little tongue-tied. And I wish I was a little bit more prepared for this year. Even though we did this last year, we should have been a little bit more prepared. We're still not, okay? We're crafters. What do you expect? But we're going to try and get what we can out for you guys. But I'm telling you, we are all exhausted, especially the ones I've been doing 12 days and then other videos and working full time. And we're a little bit tired. So this watered down Waverly wax here, you see me doing what I'm doing here. Y'all, I have this stencil in my stash. I've had it for quite a while now. I'm not exactly sure if this is even being able to be bought anymore. But I'm going to use it because it's in my stash and we're making cute Christmas signs. And yeah, I can flip this sign to any mood that I feel like I want to have. So I love that. And I'm just using some of my Snow White chalk paint, you guys. I took these stars off of this little jar thing from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to go ahead and adhere all these cute little felt looking stars is what they look like and felt like to me. So I think that's what they probably are. And then, yeah, I'll just go ahead and use a little bit of my tacky glue. Or I'm sorry, I think I used hot glue actually. Yeah, I did. Just hot glue, or yeah, hot glue all these down. I did use it. All right. Like so. This one was super fast, super easy, you guys. It didn't take no time to do this. If you guys are interested if the stencil or something is still available, I'm pretty sure you could ask Brenda or Krista, because they both are still, I think, are designers with Chalk Couture. So you could always ask them if you would like. And they would love to help you. I know they would. They're very sweet and kind. So I must have forgot to speed this part of the video up because we're all so tired that videos are starting to run into themselves here a little bit, and we're all getting a little bit confused on what day is which and what is happening, and it's all fun and games, but we all are getting a little bit exhausted here trying to figure all this out. But we do it for you guys, and we wouldn't stop doing it for anything, because we love to do this, and we love that you guys support us doing things that we love. So yeah. And then, you guys, I did forget to speed this up, but I'm so sorry. So I'm making a bow. This is just any bow or just any ribbon that you can get from any place. And I just do the most easiest bow for me that I can. And yeah, you saw. And that's pretty much it for this one, you guys. This one was super easy. And I just use this tacky glue here to adhere the stars and the ribbon. And then, you guys, I wanted to show you that I wanted to make this more crunchy and more rustic. So I went ahead and grabbed that dark antique wax that I did with ink and did this, and I also did it around the side. And that's it for this, y'all. Okay, I want to say thank you so much to Brenda and Krista for having us here on the playlist. That was Brenda. This is Krista. You guys, we truly appreciate you, and I want to say thank you to all my subscribers as well. You guys, you will have to let me know which side of my sign is going to be your favorite one today. Is it the Farmhouse Christmas sign? Did you notice that I put Christmas instead of Christmas? Some of you might have caught that. I actually love that, and that's something that I have been doing for a few years now on my channel. Yeah, so what do you think? Do you love this rustic, chippy farmhouse look? You guys know me in my buffalo plaid. Love it, love it, love it. It turned out so beautiful, I think. And you guys, this was the back of the sign. So yeah. And I will actually set this up on like a sign holder. I can't think of what those are called right now to save my life, so forgive me for that, but y'all know what I'm talking about. They hold signs. But look at this. 'Tis the season to be freezing. It sure enough is, even though it's actually been kind of a weird, strange weather this year. It's been more warmer than it has been cold, so I'll take it. But yeah, what do you guys think about this side? And love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, you guys, I didn't have to use the stencil. I could have used my Cricut, but oh, I have so many of their stencils, you guys. I got to get them used up, and maybe I will start giving some away. So I want to say thank you again for watching my video. You guys can go ahead and hit my picture here and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to smash that like button before you leave to let me know if you really liked this video. And leave us a comment of your favorite video. And y'all can get inspired by these two videos here.